For getting good flexibility in your hip muscles, this is very good technique everyone. We need to stretch properly our hamstring. In our hip muscles, there are several muscle groups that providing you different movement like abduction, adduction, flexion, stretching or towards your posterior that will be like good for you. So let's start everyone with the next technique. Now Anna, what you have to do is try to keep your both legs little bit up, elevate your legs up and stay here. Okay, this technique will help you to give you strength to your muscles of your core, lower back and your pelvis. Okay, so try to keep your elbows straight and also your legs. So straight everyone and do it here. Balance your body within a like you can say your body only. Start, raise up, do it, stay here. Yeah, some people get the pressure or compression, but the thing is if you stay here for a long time, believe me, you will be the best. Come on, last 5 seconds. 5 is my favorite number. 4 is also my favorite number. 3 is good. 2 very good. 1 is very important because some people want to relax, and this is the reason I am saying 1. 0 is perfect. It always give you rest. Sit down. So we have all the postures everyone. Now relax. Yeah, this technique is very beautiful everyone. You need to lift your both legs above the floor and do a proper circular rotation with your legs. Start, show me. First abduction and then adduction. Closing the legs, moving the legs away from the midline. So everybody, you do this technique at least for 30 seconds. So let's start everyone, all of you. Keep doing knees straight and try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Neetu Gupta ji, Deep Kamal ji, extend your legs more everybody. Don't give up. Lavina ji, you're doing nice, but always try to stay there. Yeah, perfect. Gracelia, smiling and doing very nice. You can straight your elbow or else you can take the support of elbow if you're feeling pain. Now do opposite. 30-second opposite. You can see everyone, she using her upper body and lower body to provide a good you can say momentum for this technique. You can also do the same technique with a proper momentum. Now Anna, can you match this rhythm and show it to me? Start. Ready everybody? Come on, you can do it. 1, 2. Upper body move up and lower body move up together. When they coming together, it will be good for you. Yes. Watch everyone and try. It is good for core strengthening, all of you. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. After every technique, you should take relax in butterfly for at least 10 to 15 or 30 seconds to relax and generate the muscle recovery. So now we have to do another technique called lizard pose. So in lizard pose everyone, you need to place your elbow properly and your one leg is back. Okay, in this lizard pose you have to do spine twisting. So keep the right hand up and do side twisting. Perfect. So we have to do this exercise. Now keep the one hand up, spine twisting. Yes, one elbow must be touched on the floor so that you can get a good stretching. And raise up. And show me the smile also, right? How to release this pressure? You have to smile. Yeah, you Preeti, keep the elbow near to your heel, not outside. Yeah, or else you can move your leg forward. Stay here everyone and stretch your muscle. Very good technique for everybody. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Leg change. दूसरे leg से करने की कोशिश करो. Did you feel some stretch or not? Yes, on the thighs. Okay, that's good. Anywhere, wherever you see, just tell me. Yeah, you show me. Start. So Kinjalji, she also doing very nice. Smile and look up. Well done. Everyone stay here for more. Perfect. Now relax. This technique is super. Why? Because everyone, this will be helping you to stretching yourself too much. Now lift your right leg above the chair. You have to face to me. Good. Now what you do? Touch your knee on the floor. Touch your knee on the floor. Very good. Now do Namaste. Towards this, you can say top of your head. Move it up. Now side bending towards the chair. Side bending, not twisting. Yes. Stay here. Do you feel the stretch? Yeah, very good. Try once stretching the muscle. Smile, Revati. Nice. If you stretch your muscle completely, you will get the success because the muscles are very actively stretching here, and this is very important. You are stay here, but you are doing some movement now that will stretching the muscles of different sides and giving you impact, which leads good flexibility and strength. So if I say everyone one thing, like if you're a beginner, so only your target should be how to improve flexibility, strength, because everybody focus only on asana to learn like a middle split, side split, like some poses. But the thing is, the key roots to learn this posture is your hip muscle flexibility, strength, and plus your practice. If you practice, you ultimately getting closer to your target. So must try, stretch yourself properly, strengthen yourself properly, and relax your mind as much you can, because it's a practice of enjoy, right? So I hope you will enjoy this video and you will be practicing later at your home. Don't worry everyone, everything is important. Only thing is, if you work properly on your muscles, you will definitely get a good result. Like this video and share with your friend, and also subscribe our Shivam Yoga Studio channel. If you wanted to learn more, you can WhatsApp us through our online classes.